This entire video you're watching was edited inside After Effects. The cuts, the transitions, the sound design, the background music, everything was done without opening Premiere Pro. And that's exactly why I built this. This is AE Cut Timeline. If you've been using After Effects for a while, you've probably experienced this. You start editing your project, then a few minutes later you realize it would be much easier to do this part in Premiere Pro. So you export your composition, open Premiere, make your edits, then jump back into After Effects. That constant back and forth breaks your workflow. I wanted to solve that problem. So instead of switching between two applications, I decided to bring a professional editing timeline directly into After Effects. And that's what AE Cut Timeline is. The first thing you'll notice is the timeline itself. It works very much like Premiere Pro. You have dedicated video tracks, audio tracks, familiar editing tools, and keyboard shortcuts that make editing feel natural. At the top, you'll find all the tools you normally expect in a professional editor. Track Select, Forward, the Razor tool, Snap, Ripple Delete, Slide, Rate Stretch, in and out points, markers, and many more. If you've ever used Premiere Pro, you'll feel at home immediately. Now, let me show you how it works. I'll simply drag a video directly from the project panel and drop it into AE Cut Timeline. Immediately, the plugin creates a new composition inside After Effects. No manual setup, no extra steps. And here's the best part. Everything you do inside AE Cut Timeline is synchronized in real time with the native After Effects timeline. Nothing is converted, nothing is replaced. You're still editing real After Effects layers. Let's do a few edits. I'll press C to activate the Razor tool, cut here, cut again. Now let's remove this silent section. I'll delete it, then select the clips, click Close Gap, and just like that, everything shifts together automatically. Exactly the workflow you'd expect from Premiere Pro. If we look back at the After Effects timeline, you'll notice every edit has already been applied. Everything stays perfectly synchronized. If you'd like to try AE Cut Timeline, you'll find the download link in the description below. One thing I personally love is how much cleaner the editing experience becomes. Anyone who's worked on a large After Effects project knows how quickly the native timeline turns into hundreds of layers. Finding clips becomes difficult. Making simple edits becomes slow. AE Cut Timeline gives you a real editing interface designed specifically for editing. You still have all the power of After Effects, but with a workflow that's much faster and easier to manage. Let's talk about audio. I'll drag in some background music. As soon as I add it, it's immediately added to the After Effects composition as well. You can already see the waveform. You can adjust the volume directly, add audio keyframes, create smooth fades, raise or lower specific sections. Everything happens directly inside the timeline. No complicated workarounds. Adding sound effects is just as simple. Drop the sound effect, position it, done. Again, everything is synchronized instantly with your composition. Applying effects is also much faster. Let's say I want to add an effect to this clip. I'll simply select it, right-click, choose Apply Effect, search for any installed After Effects effect, for example, Gaussian Blur, click, done. The effect is immediately applied to the selected clip. No digging through menus, no searching inside the effects panel. Everything is just a few clicks away. Another feature that saves a surprising amount of time is Project Organizer. As projects get larger, the project panel quickly becomes a mess. Videos, audio, images, compositions, everything mixed together. With one click on Organize, AE Cut Timeline automatically creates folders, moves every video into the video folder, every audio file into audio, every composition into compositions, every image into images. Your entire project becomes clean and organized instantly. There's also a built-in audio synchronization tool. If you record using an external microphone and your camera records its own audio, simply select both clips, click Synchronize, and the plugin aligns them automatically. No manual syncing, no guessing, just one click. These are only some of the features included in AE Cut Timeline. The goal wasn't to replace After Effects, and it wasn't to replace Premiere Pro. The goal was simple: remove the editing friction that slows down After Effects users every single day. If most of your work happens inside After Effects, you no longer have to leave it.
You no longer have to leave it just to perform basic editing tasks. You can stay focused, stay creative, and finish projects much faster. If you'd like to try AE Cut Timeline, you'll find the download link in the description below. I'd also love to hear your feedback and your ideas for future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.